Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new video for you. Please remember I use this channel to practice my English, and today's video will be another doll unboxing, which is Emi Vanda. She's from series 3 and I really love her design. Her face looks very pretty. The purplish color on her is amazing, plus the outfits are very detailed and pretty. So I got her. Her name is Emi Vanda. She has a focus on visual arts. On the back we can see the rest of the dolls of this series. Like in the previous unboxings, I will remove her from the box and I will come back to you to show you all the contents we get in this box. Okay, my friends, I am back and these are the contents of the box. First we have her comb, which is it looks purplish, but it can also look pinkish, and it comes with the rainbow logo. It's clear also, very pretty. Hair stand is the same color, also clear, looks purplish pinkish, and you can assemble it very quickly. There are some extra parts in this tiny bag, which are two hangers. These are very pretty. The other part of the stand, and that's it. It also comes with these instructions, which are how you tie her other shoes, and that's it. And her other outfit is these super cute and detailed shoes. The lace says rainbow all over the place. The socks has some like moons on them. The bottom part is plastic, and this part is, well, fabric. These are so cute. And her other outfit is this hoodie. Actually, I think it comes, yeah, it has like this shirt underneath. It's a small shirt, it's like a crop top shirt. Here you can see it. And then on top we have this hoodie. It says rainbow. The back has velcro. This is like the hoodie but of course we cannot fit this into their heads. It's just like decorations. It will go like this. The skirt has velcro on the back, same as the jacket and the shirt underneath. The front has like these nice suspenders. It's actually super cute. Look, you can put it like this. It's very pretty and well done. I really like her outfits because I feel they are very well done and they have a lot of details. And now moving on to the doll. She has, of course, all the articulations. I think she has this small articulation on her head. We can move it left to right. A little bit, yeah, front and back actually. They have like a click, so you move it and it's like click, click. And here is like the same. Well, side to side is better, but for the front, yeah, they have like a click. See? This is very nice. Okay, so her makeup is super pretty. I feel her eyes are more like cat eyes, which I really like on her face. The hair do not have, I'm amazed, the hair do not have any product. It's very soft and very pretty. I feel the quality is very nice. She still needs to be combed and style a little bit the hair, but it's so nice. Her clothes, she comes with this sweater, I think, or oh, it's also a hoodie. She comes with this hoodie. Most of the details are embroidered on it. She has these zippers, which are actually a very nice detail. Some tiny accessories you can see here. She has like this bag and rainbow embroider. She has this skirt. It's very pretty. The underwear is painted on her skin and it's kind of fuchsia. So we have this outfit on her, and the shoes are these boots. Comparing these boots to the Amaya from junior high, these boots are all plastic. The other one, the only plastic part was the bottom, like the base, and this one everything is plastic. I'm not a big fan because I feel they don't fit properly the legs of the dolls, and you have this opening on the back because you just put them like this on her leg. So I'm not a big fan of these boots. I will probably in the future change her shoes for the other ones I show you. But yeah, I mean, these look nice with this outfit, but I'm not a big fan of plastic boots. And they have this ribbon to tie them. The ribbon, well, is fabric, and well, that's it, my friends. This is her whole outfit. She does not have earrings. I'm just noticing that. And so far, what I have seen on her, I don't see any flaws on my doll. She has some nail polish on her head. I mean, on her hands, and she's super pretty. She has been losing a little bit of hair on this video. Look at this. So I need to comb her hair and make her look all pretty, but I will do that in the future off camera. So for now, my friends, I just wanted to show you the contents of the box, and I wanted to do this small unboxing. So my friends, I hope you're having a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because that will help me to feel more motivated and make more videos for you. I hope you're having a lovely day, my friends, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye.